So we will start with this one, right? So anyone can tell me what is user for a tool?
A user is one record on the sys underscore user table.
That is belongs to ServiceNow. But generally, when you say application, I think you need to give me 2 more minutes. There is some sound is coming. Please excuse. Okay, still there. Okay, so user, the definition which Mona given is specific to ServiceNow because she is part of ServiceNow. But anyone, let's take one tool. It could be any tool. Okay,
Uh,
XYZ.
a, u- a
Yeah,
user is a one who have access of that particular tool.
a user is a one who have access to the particular tool. Okay,
Yeah.
a user is one who have access to the particular tool. Okay, very good. Any other definitions?
A user identity of an employee for an organization.
Identity of an employee.
For an organization.
Okay, so see here. Uh, let's take one bank up. Okay, bank. So where you have an account. Okay, so I will take one bank. Let's say it's ICICI Bank. Okay, this is an Indian bank. Maybe everyone knows it. Maybe in your bank also. Okay, so when you take an account in the bank, you also get internet banking, right? So what is this internet banking will do for you? It will allow you to log into the system, right? Agree or not agree?
Yes.
Yes. Everyone agree, ma?
Yes.
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 So
Yes,
here,
sir.
yeah, here, are you a user of this particular organization?
No.
Okay, no. Fine. Why no?
Yes.
Uh,
So you,
Yes.
okay,
yes.
one is yes, one is no. Okay. If it is yes, maybe one solution. If it is no, maybe another justification. So whoever say no, why no?
We don't have access.
Okay, we have access. That is the reason we are able to log into the system and then able to see our data. If we don't have access, then how come we log into the system?
Okay.
You,
Got it.
is
Got
this
it.
point valid?
Valid. Valid. Got it.
Yeah. So see here, when we say user, see, I'm extending. This answer is yes. Okay. As you are part of user, okay, as you are one of the user, then only you are able to log into the system. When we say system, obviously log into the database. Okay, we see these kind of things, low level things, little deeper later, but simple. There is an application and you are able to log into this application means you are a user. Okay, now see, okay, when we talk to the same application or same bank, consider like if I ask you what is the overall strength of ICICI Bank. Okay, the overall strength of ICICI Bank is, let's say 1 lakh people, 1 lakh 1 lakh. Okay, 1 lakh in the sense it is not completely users or customers. See here, first we started like a customer, accessing as a customer, right? So let's say out of 1 lakh, okay, 91,000 people are customers, okay, and uh, 3,000 people are agents. Agents means the people who takes the calls, who resolve the issues, okay, who supports the customer, maybe customer service, okay, and remaining just let's say you just divide the number, okay, 1,000 3,000, so 4,000 came and maybe just make 2,000. 2,000 are managers, branch managers, okay, and remaining people are like staff. Okay, or staff in the sense some other departments, finance department or legal department or something, something, something. Okay, 3, 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4.
4,000.
Okay, so this is the overall strength of the bank who uses this interface as an application. So even I have two accounts. So I am two users for this one. I have two ICICI bank accounts. So I have two head counts here. So I will log into the system using my credentials, right? So when I'm logged into that, I have a user account in this database. Then only I can log in. Agree? Agree to this point, everyone?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
If you take any tool, see here, even a small Android tool also, okay, any tool that you use in mobile or any site, first time you log in, okay, it asks you to do some small step that is called registration. It don't ask you to enter, say, like a big data, maybe like a banking related data. In bank, they will ask you to enter so much of data: father name, mother name, surname, address, okay, PAN card, Aadhaar card. But let's say I just used one just a simple food ordering application. Okay, there are some food ordering applications in India like Swiggy, okay, Zomato. Now so many came. Let's say Swiggy. Okay, you just install this application in your Android mobile or iPhone. Then immediately first time what it will do? It asks you your first name, last name, or like full name. Let's say full name or first name, and it will ask your phone number. Once you say your phone number, then what it will do? It will confirm whether it is you or someone, so that it should not have any impact to the database. Okay, miscellaneous users. So it will send you an OTP or a kind of robot system, robot verification, that the code and all will be there. Na? So OTP it will send. Once you authenticate it, then on the final successful confirmation, it creates a user record for you on Swiggy database. Then onwards, whatever you do using this name or a phone number, it keeps tracks of it, right? So first today you ordered something, okay, continuously you ordered things for 1 year. If you go to your Swiggy application, then if you go to your name, you can see all your previous orders, previous complaints, okay? So everything you are seeing in the same application, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So how it is saving, how it is storing the data if it is not, if you are not a user in the database. So here also, when I log in as a customer, okay, so I can see all my data. Why it is storing? So when you are part of the database, when you are part of the system, when you are part of the tool, whatever you can call it as, it stores some. We need to, okay. If you are getting severe disturbance, maybe stop me, ma. Okay, we will just wait for 2 minutes. Uh, okay, give me 2 minutes, please. Yeah, the user is a part of the database, then only the data of him will be stored in the database. This is how you are part of the system. When you are accessing a tool, when you are accessing something, means you should be part of user. You got this one? This is the first important point.
Yes.
Yes. Everyone, copy? Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now tell me, we are accessing the banking site with your credentials. So now you join to your bank, they given you internet banking. Okay. You log into that same bank. Okay. And one day you went to branch. Okay. And you reported something or you applied for something. That time you seen the bank manager also open the same link. Okay. You normally open this internet banking when you are at home and see two transactions and all. But you seen also the same, like same application is opened by a bank manager. Are these two same? The means the question is like the amount of options that you see or bank manager will see are same or different?
Different.
Different, sir.
Different. Why different? Maybe he have more privileges because of his job or his role. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
The simple example is I can't see other user details. I can't see other user transactions because I am a single user. But a bank employee or a bank agent or a bank manager can see the all users data, okay, their profiles and all. They have some limitations to not do the actions, but they have access to see them. They can do, but they should not do. That is what they are. Okay, they can steal our money also, right? Because they have access. but they don't do because they are our servers. They are doing service, right? So the access, the same tool here again, he and me will be using the same site, okay, and we will be logging as same user, but the amount of data that I see, options or data, whatever you call it, is different, limited, and the amount of data or access that a bank manager will see or access is different. How it is coming? So he have more privileges than me. Okay, so see here, customers will be a plain users, maybe with low limitations. Agents, they have more, maybe these people have more access, maybe the bank manager have more access. So depends on the user and their privileges, their access also will be changes. This is the second statement. Agree?
Yes.
Yes, this is everywhere, ma, even in Swiggy also. Okay, any database, not only apply. See, I am giving two examples. If you start, keep on add more examples also, it's apply the same. A platform, a tool, and the user and their access levels. This is what the main point is. Till this point, everyone clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Any no's here? Any questions here? Please raise. Okay, I'll take yes. Then third thing is, let's say you have a bank account and you got some issue with one of the transaction or something, some banking issue, some account issue or some maybe a card issue. Okay, so card issue you are raising here. Okay, so now how you do is like maybe you call to customer care. Maybe how a ticket can be generated. This is also one more important question actually. Generally, we cover little deeper later. But how a work will be initiated in the system for 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 us, maybe for us, for agents or something. Okay, so as a customer, okay, what I do, I can call or I can visit the bank to report, or nowadays VA is coming, right? Virtual agents, automatic chart. I can open a chart and then I can report there, okay, via chart. So anyway, I will open a ticket. Okay, ticket is kind of issue. I am raising an issue actually. It's not a request but an issue. Okay, maybe I can say two. Okay, one issue I have. Okay, issue is card is blocked, debit card is blocked. Okay, and I want also one more request. Okay, I have one more new request, address change or nominee change. I recently married. Okay, so I want to change my nominee from my mother to my wife. Okay, so see here, this point. Okay, now I called to the phone banking. Okay, and I given this first, in first call, maybe they don't take two issues at the same time, maybe, so they will take two things. First time I said my debit card is blocked, so please unblock it. They took all my credentials to make it confirm, and then they raised a ticket for it. Okay, they raised a ticket to fix that issue. It may take 3 days. So the ticket, first of all, first term is ticket here. Okay, and second day I again called and then I requested one more. See here, this is not a issue, this is a issue, this is not an issue. Okay, here I raised another ticket. This is for nominee change. Okay, now we'll talk about one thing now. Okay, one particular ticket, and then we'll jump to second. So when a phone banking person took my issue, created a ticket as it is an issue, and consider like the system is service now. Okay, it is incident. Okay, we will be seeing this application little deeper later, but just touching it. Don't confuse what is incident, because if you are seeing it first time, you will be little confused. What is this? How I navigated and all. I just typed incident here, then I got an incident here, and then create new. I just clicked. Okay, when I say create new, control create new, it opens in a new browser. This is the incident. So let's say, who is the user? My name is the user. So okay, this one. So he is the user, and then what is the issue? Card is blocked. Okay, maybe not able to do transactions. Okay, now it is the highest priority because all my transactions are blocked. So I can say close to high. Okay. Now, who is creating that incident, ma? This particular incident, who is creating as per our current discussion?
Bank
Bank,
User
bank
or
agent. Yeah,
Users.
this one. I call to them. Okay, I call to them. They received my call, and then they are creating a ticket. So bank staff, their bank service desk people are call agent, right? He is creating a ticket in his platform. Consider like this is ICICI Bank.com something. They are using this tool to monitor their work. So bank people are creating a ticket.
Excuse me, sir.
Excused. Tell me please.
Sir, no, who is caller there? It is user who is
Caller is
available.
caller
No.
is the customer who have the issue.
So for them, we have to create a user before rising
Yes,
incident, right?
yes. He is part of system. Yes, yes. Caller is also part of system. See here.
Okay.
Let's apply the same thing here. Okay. You call to bank agent. The bank agent is creating a ticket for you. So who is caller in this case? You. And you are part of one of the 91,000. So your
Okay.
record will be there here.
Okay. So
That's why we started with first discussion user. So whoever is for creating are part of this list. Clear, ma?
yes, sir.
Right. So now where we are creating a ticket. So see here, the ticket why I am creating this ticket is okay, we are reporting an issue. Issue generally in the system is an incident. Okay. So issue based tickets are incidents. So ticket is created and card block, right? Card block, maybe let's say it's a strange issue. First time they are saying they don't know who will fix the issue. Okay. So let's say I have one issue. Okay, you are supporting, you are a software company, you are supporting us. Okay, I just report like this is my issue, XYZ issue. Okay, can you directly able to fix it?
No, sir.
No. Okay, generally it will be analyzed. Okay, if you know, if you are expertise in that particular issue, then you can fix it. If not, then you move the ticket to some expertise team, right? This is how I do. Okay, so card blocked. Initially, this ticket they route to service desk. Service desk is like a frontline group. Here, I am introducing something called group. A group is a collection of users. Okay, maybe in other words, I can say team. Okay, we have service desk team, and they have 10 people, and they receive all the issues initially. Maybe let's say issues, all the incidents they receive initially. If they can solve it, they will solve it. If they cannot solve it, then they move to different team. Okay, so now here they took it. The ticket is created and then it is assigned to service desk. Okay, so save. First ticket is created. This error messages don't see. I just kept for some class. Okay, now a ticket is created. This is a ticket. So we are seeing also what is ticketing tool, ma. Okay, ServiceNow is a ticketing tool, right? First to definition. So this is how the tickets will be created and administrated. So for you, a ticket is created. Okay, now service desk people, this group. Okay, in service desk, three people are there. This person, David Lou, taken it. Okay, and then he verified it. He called to the person and then checked the details, and he felt like, okay, it is not a debit card issue, and it is not even, okay, it's not the ticket where he can solve it. It is a specific. So, what he felt like, there is a group called debit and credit card support. Okay, if it is a card issue, only they do it. Okay, then what he will do is he will change the group, or he will move the ticket to some other group. So let's say we have another group where the group names don't confuse here because they are all different groups. So let's say application development group. This is credit card or debit card support group. So he moved the ticket to this group. Again, what is this group? This group is the collection of resources or members where they tackle some work. I can't see something here because there is a rule here. Okay, maybe I will say some other group. Don't see the data because okay, this is having two users. So it went to this group and one of the user will take it and then solve it. But here how the ticket is routing to different groups, first thing, and what is a group is the second thing. Okay, so this is the overall structure when you take this particular concept. Okay, so this is how the use case is. Now we will see in our service now. Till this point, everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.